Ntine karunji kuna Yanye kundira weka Yanyuzyao ebibi Wenuka marayonta Ibanjarya njiriuna.
I'm Gilo, John's younger sister. She's been a sweetheart to us, and she will always be as she has been. Isaac, you've taken a wonderful wife who will always be there for you. She will always put her husband first before everyone. I wish you guys a happy marriage forever.
Hi, my name is Julie. Today it's my sister's Kwijila, and I'm so happy for her. We grew up together, so today it is her birthday, and I'm here to wish her a fruitful marriage full of blessings and God's blessings.
Lucky message. I'm so happy for Joanne. Joanne has been my friend for 9 years. It's been a very beautiful journey. She's a caring friend. She's so supportive. Always there to give me a shoulder to lean on. I don't know how many times I call her in a day. Oh my God. I just wish her the very best in marriage. And I know she's going to make it. I really wish her a good marriage. Please, I just wish her the very best. I love you.
Sweetie no pakiane swala Laba wanyane se kumbatalo Pate dalo kutsunamba Ngana sime Kupakaza mkwano wako beta